zero. What? Red light. Hello, we're here in market.
Sino ba kayo? Sandeep, malalo naman. Ito, ayaw mo to?
We're going to buy oxtail or babakwa. One and a half kilos, please. Wow, look at that vegetable. It's green. Hi, Kuya. Get some eggplant. Look, wow, it's a kitten in the market. It's so cute. We're going to fish market. Pare, do you have a galunggong?
Galunggong. Galunggong. Maybe... It's okay, galunggong. Maybe next time. Thank you, brother. Oh, the bird is coming at you.
So many pigeons. Stop. There's a pedestrian crossing.
Our next destination is Choi Trams.
What we will buy?
Baboy!
Paboy. We will buy paboy. Pumili ng pang
Ano ngayon?
pang pork tonkatsu
Anong part?
chop.
Pork chop.
Pork chop. So walang pork chop, no?
Wala.
Mag-belly na lang. Belly.
Very good.
Very good. Ah, kunin mo yung resibo. Enzo, receipt. Sige na. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, boss.
What else? What else? Hello? Yes. Let's put some gasoline.
Oh,
Carb brand.
what will you buy? Kimchi
And shinramyeon.
and shinramyun. Here.
Corn beef and hot dog.
Yeah, we will.
Wow! I want Milo.
Okay, Papa, this is for Papa.
Here, I want Milo.
Melon.
Want Milo.
Sige na, bigyan mo ng melon.
Okay. Give me that. Kay Papa na lang. Dapat Milo kay Papa eh.
Sige lang. Ang kimchi, tingin nga.
Oh, let's go Viva! Hi Viva! Hi Viva!
Fresher, cheaper, better.
Kiwi pa.
Kiwi, dito ang kiwi. Ayun ang kiwi. This one, kiwi. Cheaper. Ito ba?
Mango 11 ba? Mas mahal pang
11. Grapes.
I think that's enough.
Sige. Mozzarella.
Lagay ko sa shinramyeon ko.
Mozzarella. Careful ha. Do not slam it. Give it to mama.
Tapos ako ng arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo?
Oo,
You want
next time.
arroz caldo? Ni corazon? Dapat marami. Okay, pull up. Tissue. Keso. Ito, okay. Put. Yan, sige. Put it here. What's that? Put it here. Put it there. Okay, go there, Ken. Ibalik.
Oh, we need ginger.
Ay, ginger pala ko ya.
Pala.
Go.
Thank you, Kenzo.
Let's take a picture. Going guys.
Apo.
Wow. There's lot of grocery.
Approve. Approve.
Goodbye everyone. Take care. Let's go home.